All right, time to...
Did you get that, YouTube? Joe cussing. You only cuss when you're around me.
Test the power. So you hot over here?
We're hot going out.
You're hot going out.
Too much my way.
Don't let them fool you. I just dug this entire ditch with a shovel.
That shovel. There you go.
I've seen one of our commenters said they want to see more Phil and more Sharon.
I think what they're saying is they want to see less Joe. That's what I think they're saying.
We are shopping for electrical goodies. Hoping for success today.
Cheap to not just buy them and bring them back. Your junction box, your JIC box. I forgot about that. That's good.
Your shoulder still hurting?
A little bit.
I know.
Yeah. That way.
Did you find anything?
You don't want to trust me with that. I already put it in my pocket. I gave myself a $300 gift card.
Oh, I saw. I see.
I already put that in my pocket.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
So, hey, it's all right. I got the cart.
Don't hurt yourself.
Don't hurt yourself, he says. All right, we are checking things out. What you got in there? Power box? Bathroom?
50 amp breaker coming out.
Is it a welder thing? Wouldn't that be it?
Oh, yeah, that's it. It's your welder.
Okay.
All right, so what I want you to do, Joseph,
Yep.
is I want you to go out here to this box here. I might as well just right here. Three. I want you to hold those two together.
Okay. And then you're going inside?
Then I'm going to go in and check and make sure that that's
okay.
what I think it is. Yep. Sure is. Sure is.
What's the plan there, Stan?
Yeah. You just find out what we can get away with here. Ooh, should have had safety glasses on for that. That's glued. Half the time they're not. The time I need them to not, they are.
Are we going to try to slide a bigger one over the top of them?
No, what I want to do is I want to try to see if I can knock that off. Okay, now I need some kind of a...
Oh, getting close.
Other bag.
Oh, all right.
I need the other bag. Yeah, that's 2-inch stuff.
All right, let me fill you in on today's mission. It's basically to get power to the barn. It's going to be a temporary setup because we don't know exactly what we're going to do yet and what configuration. So basically we kind of blindly went to Menards first because it was on the way to the property, and got a bunch of generic supplies. And so Phil's going to go ahead and get the barn hot because it's the holidays and that, and then we're going to come back later and make some changes to it. But today's mission is just to get the barn hot and of course get it safely hot, so we got power in there that can help us with our projects every day. Improvise, adapt, overcome. So if you're wondering, like, how did this happen? Why are you putting a junction box in the ground? Well, what happened was there used to be a mobile home here. So they had the mobile home torn, but the power service not only fed the mobile home, but it also fed the barn. So we bought the barn, and of course the mobile home is now gone. So he's just putting in a temporary junction box to repower the barn, but obviously now the mobile home is eliminated. All right, time to test the power. So you hot over here?
Well, we're hot going out.
You're hot going out. All right.
Going out.
Woo! Is that 246?
240. Let's go see what we got.
Let's go see if we got some power or not. Well, I guess we can cut across the lawn now. There's no fence anymore. That's just a temporary setup. So we can get power. Or I won't use
Then
it.
we decide what we want to do with that.
Alright, I'm gonna let you hit the switch. I'll stand back here.
Somebody's got to knock me out of the way if we...
Well, oh yeah, you got the breaker off here.
We got the main off.
You got your flashlight? No, yours is in the truck. Here's mine.
Yeah, I stuck mine in the truck. I ran out of pockets. Did you get that, YouTube? Joe cussing. You only cuss when you're around me. It's such a good influence. I'm tired of waiting on you. You ready?
No, hang on a minute. There's all the light we got.
What's that?
Whoa, we got a light coming on.
Let me see that again. Let me see what's on. What's with the flash?
Oh, I must have hit it button twice.
Need that. Well, all of those are on. Need to figure out. I don't think you need the water heater on.
No, not.
If there's no water in it, it's going to burn out anyway.
In there? What's
That's
that?
probably heat trace going to the water line,
Okay.
which should be self-regulating, but you might as well unplug it till you got water in here, because it ain't going to make any difference. I'm sure that's what it is. Okay.
All right. Well, we got one.
You got a light there. Oh, look, wasp nest. Bye, Joe.
Oh, nice.
Bye, Joe.
Oh, we got lights in here.
You got lights in your new studio?
Nice.
Home with Kapper Outdoors?
My new bedroom studio. Oh, here's all the switches. Let's see what we got.
You want a night light?
Oh, that one come on.
On the head.
Oh, that one come on. What, man, they're on separate switches? No, this last one, I don't know what it's for.
Just leave it up. I don't see another one, so it's not three ways.
That might, there's one out here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Got a yard light?
Got a yard light. Could leave that on. See if, does that go off on this end switch? Still on?
Nope. Still on. Still on.
Huh, wonder if it's a permanent. If that don't have a switch.
Well, we can check breakers. We can check breakers.
All right.
There's no light in this.
Yeah, this next order of business is gonna be a couple new LED lights in here. Don't let them fool you. I just dug this entire ditch with that shovel. With a shovel.
That shovel.
Well, smoke them if you got them, right?
I guess.
Might as well use it.
I guess.
All right, so if you made it this far in the video, you're either brand new or one of our regulars. Either way, we appreciate both. So we keep it real here. I'm not going to say with failures, but I'm going to say with life teaching events. So we are on the field here. Phil's got a tremendous amount of experience in this. So we're going to just try out two crazy kind of ideas, although he's actually done these. One of them was kind of my idea, one was his. But anyways, right now he's heating the PVC pipe to make a bend in it, which he's done many times. Usually you put like the glue on there and you light it on fire until it starts melting the plastic, and then it's pliable then, because we need to make a bend here. And then the next thing you're gonna see also, we tried to sink a 4x4, instead of concreting it in. We thought, well, we got the machine here, let's just shave a tip on it and sink it down. which would have worked flawlessly if we didn't hit a rock or a rock shelf or something. But anyways, we're airing it for your entertainment, basically, really, because we'll be back to the drawing board. So let's see how the next phase is going to go.
Too much my way. There you go. No. Come back forward. Come back forward. Stop. I'm not sure what the answer is. Stop. Go ahead and release it. Let's see how stiff it is.
In hindsight, concrete might have been better, but... Okay, so you could see here where we were going with this. If we didn't hit a rock down there, this would have worked very well. Sunk it down 2 or 3 feet. But we hit a rock. So anyways, this is where we're gonna call it for the day, but we've got big progress. You know, we got the conduits in, we got it sealed up underground. And we'll come back when I got the excavator back, and we'll go ahead and bury some concrete on for this particular post, because this is where the camper pad box is going to go. But the power company didn't leave us another breaker, so we really couldn't start on this anyways. So it was a good day overall. We did succeed in getting power to the barn, and we're going to consider what our options are for the power boxes and that, because you could do all kinds of stuff there, you know, add fancy panels. Phil's idea, which I think we're going to go with, that one sticking out of the ground, is we're going to put an underground box there. Probably a lot safer, and you ain't got to worry about backing over it. So we'll go ahead and get a burial box underground, and we'll get that done in the future. But for today, we got power in the barn. Cool. Sharon brought a microwave or refrigerator, and of course now you could see in there without bumping into a machine or banging your knee on something. So overall, it was a pretty good success.
120. 123.8. Base chain.
Oh, dead.
Oh, it's dead, or I'm just not getting very good. It might be.
What the hell is this? I've never seen one.
There we go. It's in there. I just wasn't getting a good connection.
Okay.
Let me put a splitter on this one.
We have power. All right. Progress.
Sharon might take this as her wood shop.
Progress.
Quit putting up with your crap. Well,
All right, here's an after look. Once these lights get warmed up, they are just fine. A little bit old school. Good deal. Good deal. So, let's see this and that. Oh, I see. That one's so you walk in here and you got pre-light. Ah, I see.
I'm gonna leave the tape.
All right.
Here. Where's my tape here?